Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial video just to explain how you set up the tablet. So just from the time you take it out of the box, it's just for anyone who just might feel a little bit uneasy but they're not being sure what to do. So these will be given out. All of these have a name on them. I'm going to use Michelle O'Shea's one for now because she won't be joining us again until next year. You can see that each of them come with their own email as well. So everybody now has a St. Francis College rochestown.ie email. This is the information that was up on the whiteboard and the notice board earlier this week. That email is important for setting up your tablet. So it's already pre-set up with it, but you'll need it to set up Microsoft Office and things like that. So from the box, when you open it, there's a couple of things inside. First thing you'll come across is the keyboard. It's called the type cover. So it can be taken out quite easily. So when you unbox this, this just comes straight out like so. You can just leave that over to the side. You can see it comes with little magnets just here, and those magnets will connect with the bottom of the laptop. So you can attach and detach this keyboard as often as you want. This also acts as cover, like a screen cover, because when the tablet is closed, this closes down over it as well. So it becomes a screen cover for your tablet as well. So that's that. So the next thing is the stylus pen. So this is going to be the tool that will allow you to write on your laptop just like you're writing on a whiteboard. And it's very, very handy for things like maths, chemistry, accounting. So we'll open that in just a while. After you open this part of the box, the main part of the actual surface itself is in here. So that just slots out, and you can open that. You can see each box should have details inside. Now it doesn't make a difference if anyone knows each other's password or anything, because it does ask you to change your password when you log in for the first time. So each one of your tablets will have this inside, your name, your 365 email address. So that's your Microsoft 365. So that basically allows you a free copy of Microsoft Office, which is like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and so more, and so on. The Microsoft account, we'll speak about this later. This is more of an email address that people can use to contact each other. We'll talk about that at a later stage, but your password you will need to access the tablet as well. So these are all the details that are up on the board in school, and there's a little sticker there as well that if people want to stick that onto their diaries or whatever, they can do that as well. So there's one of them in every box. The tablet itself, when you take it out, there's a cover on it, kind of a plastic cover. You can see the reflection off it there, but you can take this off and just slip it out. Okay, so this is your tablet. A couple of things about the tablet. You can see there's the magnets on the bottom that I showed you the keyboard for. So it's just as easy that should you want to do some typing work, or should you not want to use it as a tablet, you simply put these near each other and they slot into each other straight away, and all of a sudden then this becomes a laptop. So it's great for that kind of thing. And again, it becomes as easy as just pull it off and it becomes a tablet again. So it's quite easy to set up. The reason why we went for these over the iPads, that's my phone, is for a number of reasons. This is the big one. There's a USB on this. So if you have work on your USB, you've got PowerPoints or videos or whatever else, you can plug it in, which is great. It also means you can plug in a mouse if you want to, which is good as well. This one here is for charging the actual tablet. The tablet takes about 8 hours to charge, and when it is charged, it stays going for a long, long time. So it's good. There's a headphone socket in there as well. And then this one is called a lightning port, and we'll explain more about that at a later stage as well. On the top end of it, you have volume button up and down, and then this here is the power button. So when you get your tablet, the Windows symbol should be on the right, and your power button is just up here at the top left, and you'll notice there's the camera just there as well. There's a camera on the front and one on the back as well, in case you need to record things. And that's pretty much it. On the back of it, there is this neat little feature here that you can plug it out like that, push it out like that, and then your tablet stands up. So that's kind of what that looks like. So that's the tablet just taken out of the box. So I'll show you how to set it up now once you turn it on. So this is when the Surface is powered on for the first time. So you can see how quickly that starts up. It's a lot faster than a normal PC, which is one of the reasons why we changed over from these. Just to explain as well, these will replace the classroom PCs. When you come back in September, the classroom PCs or the classroom computers will not be there. They will be gone. So this is your tool if you want to project or if you want to show your PowerPoints or do whatever. So you just, depending on what mode you have it in, I have this in tablet mode now, which means that the keyboard is detached from it. If you want to attach the keyboard, it then becomes a laptop. So whatever way you want to do it, so you can, from here you just, it's asking Michelle for her password, and so it's, okay, so there again is one bit of troubleshooting. The passwords that are given out, capital at the very beginning, so the capitals and lower cases do make a difference. So when you first set it up, this is what it looks like. You'll see there's nothing on the desktop except a recycle bin. So the thing that you go through here, I have this also set up in laptop mode now as well. So the keyboard is plugged in. So the Windows symbol on the bottom left here will bring up all your different apps, and you'll see that you have just down on the right hand side, just down here, if I can just zoom in a little bit so you can see that. Okay, so these down here in the bottom, so you have your Microsoft Excel, it mightn't be that clear, Microsoft Excel, OneNote, Microsoft Outlook, which will be your email, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and OneDrive, which is your online storage as well. But there's loads of other things on it. There's Skype, there's a Photoshop app, Photoshop Express, and there's loads of other things on it as well that will become useful. Obviously from here you will need to download whichever apps are applicable to your subject, such as, you know, the publisher apps where you can get the online ebooks. They're available as well, and where you look for them is there is an option here for store. So you'll see the little shop symbol just there. So when you press that, it brings you in to what you would normally have on your phone, like the App Store or the Play Store, but except this is the Windows version of it, which is the Windows Store. And you just go online there. Now I'm not connected to the internet, that's why this hasn't come up. But it brings up all your apps and things, and you can download them and you can put them on your desktop. It's also very easy to do things like, let's say Microsoft Word here, for example. You can drag that onto your desktop there, and there it is on your desktop, and you can move it around. So so this is obviously, sorry, that's zoomed in a little bit. There you go. There you can see it on the desktop just up there, Microsoft Word. So this is touchscreen, obviously, because it is a tablet. So again, you know, if you want to bring your PowerPoint up, you just hold it down, drag it onto your desktop, and there it is, just there. You can move it around wherever you want, and it's there. So